Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my most used / favorite designer slippers. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. The first one is definitely my most used and #1 recommendation. That is the white slipper from Kuchi. This is the Kuchi Princess slippers in white color. If you can see how much I wear it, I use this a ton. It's just so comfortable. This is all leather, and this is definitely the wear and tear. You use more, you will have those landings in the leather that you cannot avoid. That's something keep in mind if you decided to buy this. And you will see those breakage. I didn't use it in like extra careful because I know that this is just how much wear it will get naturally from the wear of the shoes. Comfortable wise, this is really comfort. Everything is leather, really soft, really nice. And this color just makes me happy because it's white, it's brighter, makes my mood happier every time I have it on. And I know that Kuchi has those ones with a little heart that is on my radar as well. It's really cute. And the other ones with the fur in, the black one with the fur in, that's a really popular one as well. I'm thinking about that too. That would be perfect for winter. Especially right now, we stay at home most of the time. So I just need something really quick. Usually I just go to the grocery shopping really quick. And some errands here and there, post offices, banks, and those stuff. So I just want something to slip on and very easy to use and comfortable. And that's why those are just my go-tos. Highly recommend. If I don't use it, I will store them in those Kuchi shoe bags that comes with the purchase. Highly recommend. It's very nice as well. It has Kuchi on. Okay, the next one I'm sharing is actually from Valentino. It is my Rockstar Jelly slippers from Valentino. This is in the blush color. I've been loving it. This is kind of my go-to if I just want to go to the yoga class or I want to go to the beach. I will use those ones. It's very comfortable and so cute. The Rockstar here really add another textures to these shoes. For these ones, they have the black and the nude. I go with the nude because I like the lighter color that just makes me happy. So I'm also thinking about getting the black one since I like this pair so much. The next pair I want to share with you is actually from Hermes. This is the Hermes slipper. It's in black. The reason that I want to get this pair in black is because I have the white slippers from Kuchi. I just want something different. So this is black one. This one go with everything too. You know, black and white always go with everything. The only reason I like this one so much is because first of all, it's comfortable. It feels a little bit lighter, thinner than the Kuchi one, but it's also very comfortable because it's all leather. And it's really cute. It has this very cute horses on. Whenever I wear white jeans and the blue jeans, I will go with this one. It matches with my outfit so well as well. It's so easy, so comfortable, just loving it. The next one is actually my most wear one. Those are from UGGs. So I really want to talk about those slippers from UGGs. Those ones actually I use them at home. Basically I use them every day, especially right now we spend most of the time at home. This is the one that I got it November, and this one is from the year before. I just loving them so much, so I bought another pair just to switch it up. And those ones, you can tell I use them just every day. That's why it has so many wear and tear. It's just so comfortable. If you're using products from UGGs, you know that inside everywhere is very soft, very nice, very comfortable and warm, especially in winter. I personally use them like 4 seasons, but it depends on where you are. Okay guys, this is all I have. Those are just from my honest practical experiences. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel.